Before we jump into this video, I want to say that this video is sponsored by Priority Chef. Priority Chef is a small family-run company that values providing customers with the best service, value for money, and quality products. They sent me their stainless steel mixing bowl set of 5 with lids. These bowls are designed for complete kitchen convenience. Their products are high quality and most of all, affordable. So guys, go check them out. I left the information in the video description below. There's no doubt you're gonna love their product. I'm completely satisfied with mine. So again, go check them out and we're gonna get back to this video. Let's go. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything and you are in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, and we have another easy and delicious recipe. Now today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make brown sugar barbecue wings. Yes, we on them wings today and you guys are gonna love it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. So let's go ahead and do roll call. We have our wings right here, brown sugar, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, kosher salt. We have yellow mustard. Now, if you don't have yellow mustard, you can use Dijon mustard, black pepper, or you can use white pepper, but I'm using black pepper, liquid smoke, sweet paprika, and some W sauce. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here are the ingredients all measured out. So let me tell you what we have here. So right here, I have about 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken wings, and I have them here in my Priority Chef stainless steel mixing bowls. Guys, these bowls actually come in handy, especially for this recipe. We're going to be doing some saucing and we're going to be using multiple bowls to do it. So let me continue. Right here I have a cup of ketchup, I have a half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of liquid smoke, tablespoon and a half of yellow mustard, a half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of W sauce. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, as I mentioned, we're gonna be doing a little mixing. So I grabbed me another one of my Priority Chef mixing bowls. And so what we're gonna do is add our ketchup here, our yellow mustard, our sweet paprika, liquid smoke, black pepper, salt, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, our W sauce. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. Now guys, you don't have to put this on the stove. I wouldn't put it on the stove. You don't want to get it too thick. So it's best just to mix it here in this bowl here like this. Because if you mix it, if you put it on the stove, it's gonna thicken up a little bit too thick. I don't think you want it that thick. You want your barbecue sauce not to be real thick. And I'm gonna do a taste test, dip my finger in it. Make sure my flavors are meshing well. Man, they are meshing well. Woo! That is good. All right, so this is what we have. Let's go ahead and move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start preparing our wings. Now, you can make this optional, but I'm gonna add a little salt to my wings. I like to do this with my meats. Add a little salt before I add anything else to it. If I'm gonna put some type of marinade on top of it, I like to add a little salt just to have a little flavor on my meat itself. And I'm also gonna add a little paprika, you know, just a little paprika. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a half a cup of that barbecue sauce we just made, that brown sugar barbecue sauce, and we're gonna pour it over our wings like that. And we're gonna take the lid for our Priority Chef mixing bowls. Guys, remember, they come with their own individual lids, which is great. And that way, all I gotta do right here is do a little shaky and bakey here and get it all mixed in here like this. Get these wings coated. Let's remove it. That's what we have. And of course, if you don't have a lid, you can definitely, you know, stir it in like that. So we're gonna set these aside, bring over our baking dish. We're gonna spray this with some cooking spray like that. That just helps and keeps your chicken from sticking to your grates. And now what we're gonna do is just start adding our chicken pieces. You guys know how I do it. I like to have them skinned side down, about a half an inch to an inch apart. All right, so this is what we have. So I've already preheated our oven to 450 degrees. Yes, I'm gonna turn the temp up on this one, and I'm gonna cook them for 40 to 45 minutes, turning them over halfway through the cooking process. So let me go ahead and get them in the oven, guys. All right, so we are 25 minutes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start flipping them over, and so we can allow them to finish cooking on the other side. They're looking good. All right, so now we've got them all turned over. We're gonna stick them back in the oven for another 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we are 45 minutes in. So take a look at what we have right here. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take another one of our mixing bowls. I got another one of our Priority Chef mixing bowls here, guys. Guys, the link for this product is in the video description below, so go ahead, check it out. I'm telling you, you're gonna love these. I'm already loving them. And we're gonna put our wings here in our bowl. Guys, take a look at that. All right, so let's move our pan out the way. Sit our chicken wings there. And we're gonna come back over here with our sauce, the remaining of our sauce, because remember, I only took a half a cup. And we're just gonna mix it real quick like I just did, and we're gonna pour the remainder of the sauce over it. Now you may wanna save some for dipping if you want. You don't have to use it all. Take our lid to our Priority Chef mixing bowl. This is what I like the most about these Priority Chef. They come with these lids, especially for me, because you know, guys, I like to shake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it. Oh, goodness. Take a look at that. So let me get these on the plate, guys, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, brown sugar barbecue baked wings. Man, take a look at this masterpiece. Work of art, guys, you already know. So the measurements and ingredients are all in the video description below. Go ahead, check them out. Also, guys, pick up that ebook and let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to try these babies out. Let's go. All right, guys, it's time for quality control. Man, these things are beautiful, man. Listen, look at this. These babies are beautiful. Ooh, look at that plate of wings there. Woo. All right, so let's go ahead, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Let's try it out. The first bite into it says it all. Yeah, I'm gonna lick my fingers. They mine. They my fingers. All right, let's get one of these flats. God, this brown sugar barbecue sauce is amazing. You don't have to do anything else. You don't need to adjust none of the ingredients unless you choose to. But I'm telling you, these babies are exactly what they're supposed to be. So let's try another one out. Another one of these drums. Guys, these are delicious. They messy, but that's what the barbecue is supposed to be. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna end this up and get, I'm gonna tear these bad babies up, son. They don't stand a chance. So, guys, pick up that ebook. Thank you for supporting the channel. Go and subscribe to my, not subscribe, go and follow my IG. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. That's all wings, everything. And yes, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot. And I am out. Peace.